Hi everyone! In this video I would like to talk to you about the importance of a clean workspace, why it impacts your results and how you can set yourself up for success. Stay tuned! I am Sherman. Welcome to my channel where I share videos to help you and other online business owners to speed process your growth by doing the internal work first. So today it's all about the workspace, the environment you surround yourself with when you are working has an impact on your productivity, your results, and your overall achievements. And why is that, you might ask? Well, it's because your results will be a manifestation of energy and the vibration that you've been putting out, that you've been going on inside of you. If you want perfection, that is detailed, neat, strict, impeccable, pure, and radiant work, then that will have to be your vibration when you are creating it. And not only you and me are vibrating things, everything around us, everything you see is vibrating an energy. With your eyes, you translate vibration into that which you see. With your ears, you translate vibration into that which you hear. With your nose, you translate vibration into that which you smell. And so on and so on. Have you ever come into a room and felt that there was a certain tension going on? You just felt it. You couldn't put your finger on it because everybody was acting normal, but you felt a certain tension in the air. It was the energy of the people in that room that you picked up on. And all these vibrations around us can influence our own vibration. And indeed, it's true that at any time you have the power over your own vibration, that you can feel calm in the midst of chaos, but that's only so when you are deliberately giving your focus to the right vibration. When you are working and focusing on other things than on your own vibration, it's possible that your vibration gets influenced by the environment around you. It's possible that your vibration starts to match the chaos or the cheapness around you, or the gear that's cheap, or the office supplies that's cheap around you. Oh, and by the way, quickly in between, if you feel that you owe it to yourself to give yourself all the tools that you need to grow to the highest level of your potential, and that is unlimited, then make your mark by subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell to get notified about the new videos. And I will guide you to speed process your growth. I think most of us are raised with the belief that we shouldn't be so materialistic, that it isn't nice characteristic to be so materialistic. If that's you, then post, "Yep, that's me" in the comments down below. I'm very curious how many people here are raised the same way that I am. At least I'm raised like that. But you have to know that most of those beliefs were invented by your parents who were trying to keep the content of their wallets safe. And I'm not talking about following and buying every new shiny object, but I'm talking about investing in solid and decent quality material and gear when it comes to all the things in your life and business. Cheap brands will not give you the same good quality of sound or images as the decent brands will. A purse from real leather, for example, will last longer than a plastic one or fake leather. You know? So I'm not pro buying more, but I'm pro buying quality products and surrounding yourself with quality and things that make you feel rich and abundant and prosperous. How is your office space making you feel? Is it an environment that fits your identity of CEO? Or is it an environment that you are actually ashamed of and makes you feel small? Think about it. If you want to rise to the level of a real and successful CEO with a blooming business, how can you improve your office and the stuff inside your office to match that vibration? The first question you need to ask yourself is, how do I want to feel in my office? What are the emotions that I want to evoke with my office? Once you have those, you can start with throwing out all the things that make you feel cheap. Then start saving up for quality gear for your business, like a decent mic or a decent phone or other things that will create the office where you will feel all those good and successful emotions you just discovered. Maybe it can be things like fancy pants or fancy office chair and so on, or maybe a fancy color on your wall. I don't know. Whatever evokes those emotions of abundance, prosperous, in control, all the things that come along with being a CEO of your own business. Make a list. It sounds like a superficial topic, but it is far from it. When you start seeing yourself for what you truly are, the boss man or the boss lady, then you will recognize and acknowledge that you deserve an office that matches your personality and identity. It's all about self-love and self-worthiness and seeing yourself as that successful person who deserves all that fancy stuff. I'm not saying that once you have a boss-like office, you will feel and be the boss, because it's the other way around. Once you see yourself as a boss and feel deserving and worthy enough to transform your office to one that fits your true personality, the office will arise. The outer world is a reflection of your inner image and the identity that you hold for yourself. So if you look at your office, you can check how far along you are in the identity rise to the identity of a successful person. Like an introvert will look for a work environment that's silent and calm and peaceful, while an extrovert will love to work in a crowded coffee bar and gets his best ideas over there. Your identity and personality and your inner core vibration will reflect on your outer world and the choices you make regarding your environment. So when you want to grow into the personality of a successful business owner, then you need an environment that reflects that and makes you feel that way. Because if you want to have the success, then you need to be the success first. It needs to be part of your identity. And once that's part of your identity, it will reflect on your outer results as well. So give your identity shift a boost or a little push in the back, and you can start by transforming your office space into the one of a real boss. So let it sink in, think about it, and go to work by reorganizing your office space and creating that wish list of all your preferred office supplies. And more of all, the wish list of your desired emotions. When you think about your office, what change in your environment will have the biggest impact on your vibrational frequency? Let me know in the comments down below if you feel that you owe it to yourself to give yourself all the tools that you need to grow to the highest level of your potential, and that is unlimited. Then make your mark by subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell to get notified about the new videos, and I will guide you to speed process your growth. Don't forget to like this video if you found this helpful or inspirational at all, and leave a comment so that we can connect. See you in the next video. Keep watching this channel. Make you feel cheap. Sorry.